Look at that, huh?
お、びっくりした。すごい面白い。今まで結構くちばしとか尖ってるし苦手だったんですけど、なんかこういろんな声を聞けるし、なんかいろんな色をした鳥がいるサイズもすごい楽しい。子供たちと楽しんでます。
鳥さん
あんだけ近くで見たね。
Bird atrium is completely covered, and there's all these tropical birds that are flying around us. It's really exciting and awesome. Wow. These beautiful birds are our friends, right, Taiga?
Can I touch it like that?
No, we don't want to touch them.
Why?
We want to just look at them. If they want to come close to us, that's fine. Whoa. Got all these birds on my arm. Birds of paradise.
Giant bird! The world's largest bird.
Yeah. Oh, here we are. 世界一番高い人工滝です。这个地方非常漂亮，我很高兴是在这里。我觉得这个地方是一个很安静的环境。
Let's see that bird next. Look, train! Train! It's raining.
Oh yeah, that's the train line.
Oh no, this bird! Look, that bird!
Oh yeah, this is a toucan.
Look, there! You see it?
The fact that it's in the middle of basically a tropical rainforest, so it's really their natural habitat, I'm thinking these birds are loving life. Obviously, I don't know. Very impressive, very impressive. Isn't it nice being out in the jungle like this? See that bird making noise up there?
Oh yeah!
He likes to bang around.
There's two. Daddy,
It's the Indian pied hornbill.
Daddy, then I'll call their banging all day, then I'll call banging bird.
Oh, guys, calm down. This is a Singaporean hornbill. Look at this, check this out. Hey, say, what are you seeing?
Giant bird.
Giant birds? Yeah, we're seeing giant birds.
It's so giant. Mommy's so giant. My second giant.
See the flamingos? You know why they're all pink? Because they eat a lot of what's known as carotene, and you can find that in shrimp. So if you eat a lot of shrimp, you'll turn pink. Isn't it the case when you eat mikan, you turn orange?
Yeah. そう。でもカロチンってことは人参とかでも
そう、人参とかエビとか。それを食べたらやっぱりピンクになる。でもやっぱり大量だよ。Okay.
Okay, let's go.
You see that, Coco?